The Lord be with you, good everyone. Today is Saturday, and the Gospel will be coming from St. Mark chapter 12, verses 38 to 44. In the Gospel, Jesus commended the poor widow, for even though she gave just a penny, he said that the woman gave not out of her surplus, but she gave all her life, because that's everything that she has. My dear friends, this is the concrete example of what Mother Teresa said. Give until it hurts. When we give out of our surplus, well, that's still good. You're still giving. But the real giving is when you give something that is truly part of yours. Example, the millionaire who will give just 1,000, will that give him or her that feeling of being deprived? I don't think so. But a poor who earned a daily wage but will give more, even if that's seemingly less, but he or she gave her all. This is what the Lord is asking from us. Do not be afraid to give. Do not be afraid to lose something, because the Lord will always provide. Remember this, you are blessed to be a blessing. If you have surplus, then more will be expected from you to give. But if you have nothing and you still give, you receive double the blessing from the Lord. That is why I invite everyone, I am knocking everyone at the generosity of your heart. To whomever and to whoever you think deserve your help. Help if you can, and allow the blessing to flow through you. And I'm telling you, the best feeling in the world is knowing that others are blessed through you. And I repeat it again, you are blessed to be a blessing.